In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add San Francisco Pro fonts on Figma using Windows OS. This will take just about 5 minutes, and it's a great way to enhance your design projects with some of the most elegant and versatile fonts available. First, we begin by heading over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that so many designers love for its intuitive and powerful features. Launch your web browser, type in figma.com, and let's get started. Once you're on the Figma website, glance towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find the Login button. Click on that to enter your credentials and access your account. If you're already logged in, you might be taken directly to your home screen, which is perfect for what we need next. On reaching the Figma homepage, you'll notice a sidebar on the left-hand side. Look for the Design tab and click on it to delve into the project creation area. This is where all the magic happens, and where you'll soon integrate the San Francisco Pro fonts. In the design section, you'll find various actions and options available to you. See that action button? Go ahead and click it. This is your control hub for managing plugins, fonts, and more within your design environment. Now within the action menu, we're going to leverage the search functionality to locate the SF Pro fonts. Simply type SF Pro fonts into the search bar. This approach makes it quicker and more efficient to find what you're looking for amidst all the available resources and tools. Upon finding SF Pro fonts in the search results, you should see an option labeled Fix San Francisco. This option helps you effortlessly integrate the fonts into your Figma environment. Give it a click to initiate the process. As soon as you click Fix San Francisco, you'll see another button labeled Run. Clicking this will execute the necessary scripts and commands to implement the font adjustments within Figma. Next, and this is important, click on Apply. This step ensures that all the changes and installations are confirmed and that SF Pro fonts are now accessible for your design projects. And that's it, you've successfully added the San Francisco Pro fonts to your Figma projects on Windows OS. This process streamlines your font management in Figma and gives your designs that professional, polished edge. Now with these new fonts at your disposal, let your creativity flow and elevate your design work to a whole new level. Happy designing, and thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and design tips.